folks, we're out at the market in Phnom Penh. We're looking for breakfast and we've come out to this area. There's a whole heap of activity. I don't think I've been into this part of the town before. Say hello, mate. What the hell's going on here? So check out the chaos. I'm just going to walk through this market. Go on, you're all right. Oh, you're going to wait for me? Gold Camry coming through. Pristine condition. Check out this Sheila selling bread. Bread on her bike. It's the name of her business. There's a coconut man here. It's this day. We're going down to this particular alleyway. What's down here? We're looking for breakfast. When I say we, I mean them, because they need breakfast. The local constituents. Ah, look at this mystery juice here. I love that they've cut in the concrete. I wouldn't call them expansion joints. I don't think they're that developed, but just some area for collection of mystery juice. All right, here's our breakfast spot, is it? On this corner, at this table, with this dude and with this lady. Hello. Oh, they're getting ready to move, are they? Huh?
Sokran said it's very good noodle place.
Ah, so Sokran. Oh, Akon Sokran here is recommending this place for noodles, and here's some examples of said noodles here.
Good noodles, good coffee.
Good noodles and good coffee. What do you think, buddy? You're playing with your car? Show me how the car goes. Good boy. What else is happening on this corner? What other things can we see here? Check out the motorbike parking. Plenty of motorbikes, plenty of parking. That's what you want. The Sheila with some very, very stripy pants. Check this out. I love how you can just drive through. Have a look at all these things here. These are like the old CT110, the old postie bike sort of things. But they're not. They're old Honda Cubs or Honda Dreams, I think. In magnificent condition. This one's had some maintenance done with a new spark plug wire. That one there looks alright. This thing here running like a top. Look at him go. Let's check out the cooking arrangements here. All charcoal, no gas. Even the kettle. Bloody marvellous. Charcoal is for flavour. Okay. What have you ordered?
I've ordered noodle soup, beef noodle soup.
Yeah.
With extra bones, meat.
Extra bones.
The bone that comes with meat.
Yeah.
Meatballs.
Yeah.
And liver.
Liver. Sounds delightful.
They have chicken over there if you want.
Yeah.
Right? Rice with chicken.
Oh, it's got rice with it. Oh, that changes everything.
Meat.
I'm okay.
Oh.
I'm okay. Nhâm Srei
Nhâm tiêu.
Tiêu. Cái tiêu.
Của Nam ấy. Nothing.
Nhâm Cái tiêu tôi kia. Ah, our random friends are also having katil. I don't know what's going on.
You want chocolate? Ice chocolate?
No. So when travelling out to a village or somewhere where it's a bit basic, I like to stick with things that aren't going to give me the squirts. Because the availability of latrines is a bit random. I don't want to take that risk. I've taken that risk before and it has not paid off. I'll give you the big tip. Alright, let's wait for the food.
You want to order some noodle soup as well?
No, I don't care for soup. No. Soup. Fuck that soup. They love soup. You love soup. What's this?
Based on Sokran, it's best iced coffee.
Geez, so this better be the best iced coffee in the world. Sokran? Otherwise there'll be nothing to pay, mate. What do you think?
It's sweet.
Sweet. They love their sweet things.
Yeah, I don't like the sweet.
No good. Achinang, she doesn't like it.
It's good, just too sweet.
Paim. Georgette Paim. Yeah, I know, Georgette Paim. Have a look. Have a look at this concoction you've made to go in your soup. Are you going to be able to taste the soup or just the bloody sauce? Oh my gosh! I remember last time we had this one here.
Yeah, same thing.
There was no soup left. It was just sweet chili, and bloody fish sauce. I know these two. Chenang up. Chenang on. Chenang. It's all right. Chenang.
Chenang, not chenang.
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 That's what I said.
Oh, say it again.
Chenang. That's what I thought. Hang on. What are you having? Strawberry.
No, this is the fresh milk with color syrup.
Is it strawberry flavoured?
No, look, see over there. Can you see that far?
No.
Go ahead.
Oh, hang on.
There's pink and then.
Oh, is it just pink flavour?
Yes, it's a syrup.
It's usually
Make it
pink is strawberry.
No.
Let's have a look. It isn't.
That's right.
I'm intrigued. On. This one. All right, we've found the container. Blue boy Brent. Got no idea. It's just pink. Pink flavour. What if she knows what pink flavour is? It's just pink. Red. Yeah.
Colorful syrup.
Pink and blue colourful syrup. Sweet number one, sweet number two. Sweet tooths. These are folks that dip their pizza in tomato sauce. If you want to get an idea of their palate.
In my coffee.
What? To drown out the sweetness. Yeah.
It's sweet.
Are you happy with your deal? Are you satisfied with the flavours?
Yes, except they ran out of corns and other stuff because it's too late. It's
Too late.
10 o'clock.
10
Breakfast
o'clock.
start from 6,
6 o'clock, so they've run out of all the good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're just left with standard catil. Why don't you drown it like they do? Just drown it in.
Right over here.
Yeah, but that's nothing though. That's amateur hour. Have a look at how much of their stuff they've got.
Yeah, I know.
Plus he's picking bloody, geez, how much spring onion?
Yeah.
Yeah, even more things to add. It's a smorgasbord. Here, watch Sreinik. Watch Sreinik just turn her nice clear deal into some.
That's the way it should be.
You reckon?
Huh.
So it's not about the purity of the broth, it's about how much you can chuck in there.
Extra chilies and stuff.
Ah,
Dipping and it's all part of it.
all part of the fun.
Yeah. Part of the combination flavor.
Experience.
You've got nice soup as base
Oh,
and then
look at that.
these are like just more chili based flavor.
Yeah.
So it's not like it's gonna ruin the whole flavor.
Yeah. I suppose that's the thing. It's very customizable. You get your base and then you can chuck whatever you want on there, and that's just how it works. So, look at that, buddy. Watch the motorbikes. Watch the motorbikes. Shenang? You liked it? So, horn, sokran, jolchet. He likes it. You thought they're okay. Sreinik, were you happy with your noodles?
Yeah. What do you mean I thought it's okay? I thought it's good.
Yeah, but they missed out half the stuff because they ran out.
Yeah, not their fault. But
Okay.
the flavor's good.
The flavour's good. Okay, we just wanted to clarify. How much?
Some ABA, man. 10 bucks.
Huh?
12 bucks.
$12 for 3 plates of noodles,
And 3
3 drinks. This is the reality of trying to fill him with a wiggle bum. Just wants to go to his mum. Just sit for a second, buddy. Look at the feet. Look at him. I want to go to mummy. You can sit with me. Sit with me. Sreinik, Chanang, which one's better, this one or Siem Reap?
And like
This one or Siem Reap?
this one better than
This one's better. So you've heard it here first. The catil we filmed in Siem Reap last year. This one's better. So we're in some area in Phnom Penh. I may or may not put the pin to it on the map. I can't film anymore. We've got to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She can finish. We have found waffles. So this is my sort of breakfast. You can't get noodles. Well, you can't get these at home. So I'm going to smash as many as I can whilst I'm here. We'll see how these compare to the Siem Reap waffle mob that we go to quite often. Here's the production line here. Oh, look at that. Look at the technique. Look at the miniature grill they have. Very, very small. We're going to make them a star. Top video. But famous. Jumpo, nip moi. Huh? Jumpo. Oh, bat. Look at that.
Pow like power.
Yep.
Pow.
Jumpo.
Pow.
I say power, not power.
I say like power, but you say the per with Jong Pow.
Jumpo, chef.
Good job.
Oh, it's language. Anyway, let's have a look at the production here. Look at that. They love handling stuff too. That's something. They've got bloody seeds in this one. That's something I notice here a lot. People just handle food even though it's not theirs. They want to pick up meat or feel a vegetable, like they'll pick at stuff and whatnot. I think he's going to take all of them. But like, if you're not going to touch it, I'm not going to buy it. Don't touch it. I don't know where you've been. Is that what Basil Faulty said? He's having all of them, so fair dues. That's a fairly significant order.
I feel like it's going to be a good one.
Huh?
I feel like it's going to be a good one.
Yep.
I see lots of coconut.
Yeah, she's got seeds. It's flesh in there. Yeah, they look good. See, I don't get excited about noodles, but I get excited about these things. And just because I'm here doesn't mean I have to be excited about everything or like everything here. It's okay to not like certain things about the place you're in. Oh, that one's a bit manky. Pressure's on. Have a look at it. I was looking a bit sad. Maybe she's under pressure. That one's looking a little bit sad. Look at all the coconut flesh in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, chinang. Can't see if there's a smile under that mask. What's going on here?
In little alley.
That is a, what is it? That thing's massive. That's a yank tank. You're getting distracted here, folks. It's a Cadillac, isn't it? Is it an Escalade? That's an Escalade trying to navigate the small streets of Phnom Penh. You are kidding. I wonder if it's got one of those LT1s in it. Yeah, it is. It's an Escalade. 600. That is huge. I think if you're an American viewer, you'd be looking at that going, that's a little baby. Might as well be a Corolla. Old mate just had a huge order. He cleaned her out. We just found out the price. It is 1,000 each, so we've got to pay him 3,000 for 3 of them. So that's not bad, and that's better than the Siem Reap ones. 1,500 each, but they've probably got inflation. The rent at that particular spot's probably gone up, whereas here, when her footprint is tiny compared to that one, and she's still pumping them out. Khmer, small businesses doing it beautifully. And she's got ABA pay too. Ooh, I love this. That means even small businesses that just used to deal in cash can start to have a financial footprint. It's fantastic. How much more stuff? What is going on there? Look at that rain deflection device on that particular scooter. Beautiful. That's for us. We've got 5 gorillas there. We've got a couple of gorillas. Change a gorilla. Thousands of gorilla. There we go. Akuncharan. Yes, the folding. All right, now we've done breakfast. Now we can get on with our day. Thank you for watching. Hang on, more purchases being made. What is this? What's this stuff? What is it? This stuff here. Change.
Sticky rice beans and coconut milk.
Sticky rice beans and coconut milk. No, even more little businesses with their ABA. Okay, now we're going. Final purchase?
I don't know, I can't promise.
She can't promise. We've still got to walk past all of this. Bloody hell. We're just trying to get back to the car now. All right, now we're going to wind this up. At this particular market in Phnom Penh, which is near this bit. I've got no idea where I am. I'm not going to lie. But that's okay. I don't know why you're even watching this. This is a random rubbish video about just going for brekkie. But if you are, thank you for watching. Appreciate all your comments and viewership, and hopefully you're entertained. But yeah, check that out. Blue Roof, the Blue Roof Market is where we are. See you later.